Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you third chapter, that is world. Children, we live on earth. What is the difference between earth and world? Yes, earth refers to third planet in the solar system. World refers to all the people, countries, flora and fauna that is found within the planet Earth. This is the difference between Earth and world. Do you know when was Earth born? And what was the Earth made up of? See here, Earth was born 4.6 billion years ago. First, it was the ball of burning gas and dust. It was in the molten stage. Molten means became liquid. After a long years, it was cooled. Then the solid rocky layer was formed. That is crust. Crust means the topmost layer on the earth. It is the thinnest layer made of rock and soil. This layer is thicker under the continent and thinner under the oceans. Next, atmosphere was formed. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the sphere of air. It includes nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor, etc. So, atmosphere was formed which has water vapor. These water vapor form the clouds and return to the earth in the form of rain. The crust is the topmost layer on the earth. It is not same everywhere. Many craters where water got collected forming the oceans and large land masses as the continent. See children, all the oceans were connected by the one huge global ocean. Geologists gave a different names to the global oceans using the continent boundaries. Okay, next one is continent. What is continent? In the previous class we learned. See here, nearly 71% of the earth's surface covered by water. Remaining the earth has very large land masses which geographically called continent. What is continent? The large land masses called continent. The area on earth which we call continent have variety of landforms. Earth does not have a same flat and smooth surface everywhere. Children, now we will see variety of landforms. First one is mountains. Mountains are Earth's tallest landforms. Okay. Many mountains connected together form a mountain range. See here, many mountains connected together form a mountain range. The topmost part of the mountain is called its peak. See, Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. Nearly 1/5 of the land surface covered by mountains. Next one is hills. Hills are mountains. Hills are mountains which are not very high. Valley. Between two mountains are hills. There are a lowland called valley. Children, the city of Dehradun is the famous valley in the northern part of India. Valley could be either broad and flat or narrow or steep. Every afternoon, river flow down. Every afternoon, river flow down or across valley. Next one is plateau. See here, plateau, a high land with a flat top is called plateau. A high land with a flat top is called plateau. The top of the plateau is flat like a table. It looks like a table. So it is also called a tableland. Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Next one is plains. The plains are large area of flat level lands. There are also called lowlands. Next one is coastal plains. The plains near the sea or ocean are called coastal plains. In this class, children, we learned mountains, hills, valley, plateau, plains, coastal plains. Once again, I will repeat it. Mountains. See here. Mountains. Mountains are Earth's tallest landforms. Mountains are Earth's tallest landforms. Many mountains connected together form a mountain range. Next one is hills. Hills are mountains which are not very high. Between two hills or mountains, there are a lowland called valley. Valley could be either broad and flat or narrow and steep. Every afternoon, river flow down across valley. Next one is plateau. Plateau, a high land with a flat top is called plateau. The top of the plateau is flat like a table. So it is also called a tableland. Plains. Plains are large area of flat level lands. They are also called a lowlands. So next one is coastal plains. Plains near the sea or oceans are called coastal plains. So in the next class, we will see desert. Thank you, children.